So a real world use case might look something like this, where I hook it up to Slack. Again, this window that you're seeing right here is just the AI agent configuration window. This is where I can go to hook up tools, to edit and modify the system prompt, to test and train my AI agent by chatting with it and then seeing what results I get until I get a perfect AI agent that I like. The results are quality, the results are consistent. Now I can move it into production and hook it up to a tool such as Slack, for example. So me or anyone on my team in my business, they can just stay within Slack all day long and hit up my AI agent. They can ask any questions, they can delegate tasks such as draft an email to so-and-so, or schedule a 30-minute call with Mark for tomorrow at 1 p.m. to go over his most recent client, stuff like that. So again, this AI agent that I created is for a fictional law firm. Me, as one of the employees in this law firm, I can just go to my designated channel and interact with my AI agent. So schedule a 30-minute call with Mark for tomorrow at 2 p.m. to go over his most recent client case. I can hit enter, send that off, and it will go hit up my AI agent, which will be able to call upon all the necessary tools. It will look up the calendar context. It will look up Mark inside of my CRM to grab his email. So see how I didn't specify his email? I just said Mark. So my AI agent knows, per my system prompt and instructions that I gave it and all of the necessary tools, it knows, okay, the user wants to schedule a call. So, and they also want to invite Mark. First, I need to go to the CRM and I need to look up Mark and see if Mark is available, see if that contact information is available, grab his email. Cool, I have his email. Now I need to go get the calendar context, see what the current date and time is, and then see what does Mason mean by tomorrow. He just says tomorrow at 2 p.m. And then the AI agent can go through its own reasoning and say, okay, so based on the context, the calendar context, today's date is Wednesday, December 17th. Tomorrow must mean Thursday, December 18th at 2 p.m. Mountain Time, right? All of this stuff is defined inside of my system prompt. So if I scroll up right here and go down to the tools list, so I have my tools list right here where I define all of the tools that this AI agent has available to it. And then I also have step-by-step task flows. So calendar and scheduling, this is what I want. This is the flow that I want you to follow. Retrieve the 31 days of calendar context using this tool, right? And then once you have the 31 days of calendar context, retrieve available times using the calendar availability tool. 3, if someone is mentioned to be invited to a calendar event, then use the calendar or the law firm CRM live demo tool to look up their contact information. And then when scheduling an event in the calendar, use the law firm create calendar event live demo tool. I could probably be better with my naming conventions, and then as a last note, all times must be in Mountain Time and they need to be converted into UTC when scheduling in the calendar.